No, hello. Hello. Hello, all the people in Philippines. And this is Lelet, the guitar. He is the pro.
He? Why he?
She. Because she is a girl. I'm a beautiful girl. I will just guitar. Okay. Yun lang, I'm not really educated in guitar, but I know how, but not that good. Wait. Ah! Ano ba naman ako? Joe! Sorry about that. Do you want to teach? Not really. This is not you, them! Not you! Not me? Yes, why not me? Because it's not you, them. Gusto niyo tanggalin ko yung shades niya? Teka lang ha. No! Yeah! Ayan siya! Ayan. Ito yung shades niya. Ito. Tasot ko lang. Yeah. Kabung chalek. Well, I think this is good. Bye-bye! And see you later! Bye-bye! I know what's wrong with him, but goodbye. Yeah, bye-bye! Good.